Configure vessels with IMO, capacity and compliance data. Vessel management begins in the Trade Masters, the central repository for maritime logistics. This module centralizes nautical data to ensure accurate tracking across the global supply chain. The Vessel Master provides a comprehensive overview of the fleet and its current status. Vessel name identifies the specific merchant ship used for transporting bulk commodities. Product name associates the ship with a specific category of fuel or cargo. Country defines the nation of origin or registry for maritime compliance. IMO serves as the unique international identifier for global vessel safety and tracking. LOA records the overall length to determine port compatibility and docking requirements. Draft measures the vertical distance between the waterline and the bottom of the hull. Deadweight indicates the total carrying capacity including cargo, fuel, and crew. Net tonnage represents the volume of useful cargo space available for transport. Pumping rate determines the speed of fluid transfer during loading and discharge operations. Beam measures the width of the vessel at its widest point. Year records the date of construction for regulatory and insurance assessments. Certification number validates that the ship meets all necessary international maritime standards. Submitting the record commits the technical specifications to the master database for future transactions. Maintaining a centralized vessel master ensures compliance, supports accurate trade transactions, and confirms approval status for operational use. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.